So what we are doing is clarifying that the Equality Act, where it refers to sex, is referring specifically to biological sex and not legal sex, as is often interpreted. So this is a clarification in the law. It is not, as many people assume, a change. It is re-emphasising what should be the status quo. We have seen quite a lot of changes in terms of terminology. In the law, sex and gender were used interchangeably. Now we don't do that. So what we're doing is making sure that people understand what the law says. We've seen a lot of problems with people misinterpreting the law.
OK. So if this was such a big issue, why didn't you change it sooner?
Oh, well, there's so many things that we had to do first. The biggest reason is because of what Scotland was doing with its gender recognition bill, the SNP, I should say, the Scottish Government. That actually took up quite a lot of bandwidth. There was a legal case with for Women Scotland and a Haldane judgment that showed that there were issues here that we needed to make sure we understood before we put out a policy. And it's something that I'd actually been working on. But unfortunately, the election was called before we would have been able to lay the legislation in September. I think it is right that we still continue to do so and that people understood what our intention was and what we can do with that legislation.